how kitchen islands enhance minimalist kitchen functionality. In the evolution of residential architecture, few elements have undergone as significant a transformation as the kitchen island. Once a mere prep station tucked away in traditional kitchens, the island has emerged as the literal and figurative centerpiece of the modern minimalist home. In 2026, where essentialism is the guiding principle of design, the kitchen island is no longer an optional luxury. It is a critical tool for maintaining a clutter-free, highly functional living environment. The minimalist philosophy hinges on the idea that every object must serve a purpose, or better yet, several. The kitchen island embodies this multi-hyphenate role, acting as a prep surface, a dining hub, a storage powerhouse, and a social anchor. Here is how the strategic use of a kitchen island can elevate the functionality of a minimalist kitchen. 1. The single-surface philosophy. One of the primary goals of a minimalist kitchen is to reduce visual noise. In traditional kitchens, countertops are often broken up by appliances, sinks, and varied wall heights. A large, monolithic kitchen island solves this by providing a singular, uninterrupted work surface. By concentrating the primary tasks, chopping, mixing, and plating, on the island, the perimeter counters can remain entirely clear. In 2026, we're seeing a trend toward seamless integration, where induction hobs are built directly into the stone of the island, invisible until they are turned on. This allows the island to transition from a professional-grade cooking station to a clean, architectural slab in seconds, maintaining the serene aesthetic that minimalism demands. 2. Centralized storage and the zero-clutter goal. Minimalism is only sustainable if there is a place for everything. The kitchen island provides a massive volume of concealed storage that is often more accessible than deep-wall cabinets. Modern minimalist islands utilize deep, handleless drawers with push-to-open technology. These drawers can house everything from heavy cast-iron pans to small countertop appliances like blenders and toasters. By moving these items into the body of the island, you eliminate the need for upper wall cabinets. Removing upper cabinets is a hallmark of minimalist design, as it opens up the eye-level space, making the kitchen feel significantly larger and more airier. 3. Creating a social hub without the bulk. In a small minimalist home, having a separate dining table, a breakfast bar, and a kitchen workspace can lead to a cluttered floor plan. The kitchen island enhances functionality by consolidating these zones. By extending the island countertop or creating a cantilevered edge, you create a built-in dining area. This eliminates the need for a standalone dining table, freeing up precious square footage for movement. In 2026, the social island is designed with ergonomics in mind, allowing guests to sit comfortably away from the heat of the stove while still being part of the culinary process. This promotes a communal minimalism, where the act of cooking becomes a shared, uncluttered experience. 4. Optimized work triangle dynamics. Efficiency is a core tenet of minimalism. A well-designed kitchen island optimizes the kitchen work triangle, the path between the sink, the stove, and the refrigerator. In a minimalist layout, the island often houses one of these 3 points, usually the sink or the cooktop. This reduces the number of steps required to prepare a meal. When the messy work, like washing and prep, is localized to the island, the surrounding kitchen stays clean. Furthermore, having the sink on the island allows the cook to face the room rather than a wall, fostering a sense of connection and preventing the kitchen from feeling like an isolated service room. 5. Invisible technology integration. Functionality in 2026 is often synonymous with smart integration. The kitchen island acts as the brain of the modern minimalist kitchen. We're seeing islands equipped with integrated charging stations and pop-up power outlets that remain flush with the surface when not in use. Some high-end minimalist islands even feature integrated smart zones, where the stone itself can weigh ingredients or keep plates warm. By embedding these functions into the furniture, you remove the need for separate gadgets and cables, adhering to the minimalist rule of hidden but accessible. 6. The zoning effect in open-plan living. For those living in open-concept apartments, the kitchen island serves as a vital architectural anchor. Without it, the kitchen can feel like it is bleeding into the living room. The island acts as a soft boundary, defining the kitchen zone without the use of walls. This maintaining the open-air feeling of a minimalist floor plan while providing the necessary structure for organized living. From a functional standpoint, it creates a drop zone for groceries or mail, preventing these items from migrating to the sofa or dining area. 7. Sustainable and durable materiality. Finally, the kitchen island enhances functionality through the use of high-performance materials. Minimalist design favors quality over quantity, and the island is where this is most apparent. Materials like engineered quartz, sintered stone, and ultramatte nanotech surfaces, like Phoenix, are the standards for 2026. These materials are non-porous, scratch-resistant, and heat-proof. This means the island can handle the rigors of heavy cooking without requiring high-maintenance cleaning routines or specialized products. A minimalist kitchen is only functional if it is easy to maintain, and a durable, well-built island is the key to that longevity. Conclusion: the heart of the essential home. The kitchen island is far more than a design trend. It is a functional necessity for the modern minimalist. It addresses the three biggest challenges of small-scale living: storage, workspace, and social flow. By concentrating the work of the home into one beautifully designed, multifunctional block, the kitchen island allows the rest of the living space to remain calm, open, and free of clutter. In 2026, as we continue to seek simplicity in our lives, the kitchen island stands as a testament to the power of intentional design, proving that when we choose our furniture wisely, we can do more with less.